Do you want to add text to your Instagram picture? You can write text over photos on Instagram posts with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to add text to Instagram picture. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Before starting, please update your Instagram app to the latest version from App Store or Google Play Store. To add text to an Instagram picture. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right of the screen. Now, tap the plus icon at the top of the screen. A pop-up screen appears. From here, tap on Post. Now, you will see all the recent pictures in your device gallery. Choose a photo from your gallery on which you want to add text. Once you have selected a picture, tap on Next in the top right corner. Now you can apply filters or edit the photo as needed. At the top of the screen, you will see various options. Tap on the text icon at the top of the screen to add text over the image. Now, start typing the text you want to add to your photo. You can customize the text by changing the font, color, and alignment. You can also resize and move the text by pinching and dragging it on the screen. Once you are satisfied with the text, tap Next in the top right corner. Now, add a caption, tags, or location if needed, then tap Share to post your picture with text on Instagram. By following these simple steps, you can easily add text to your Instagram pictures and share them with your followers.